In this video, we are going to understand about Hashicorp Vault. So Vault is an identity-based secret and encryption management system, and it allows you to store the secrets in the encrypted form, and it allows us to store various types of secret like passwords, then certificates, then SS keys. You can store all kinds of secrets, and Vault provides encryption service as well, which is gated by authentication and authorization methods. Now Vault also has something called as policies, and we'll have to configure those policies. Only then users will be able to access the secrets. Now we can use Vault either via CLI mode or HTTP API or with the help of UI to access the secrets and the sensitive data that can be stored in the Vault. So Hashicorp Vault has an offering called HCP Vault, and it's a hosted version of the Vault which is operated and managed by the Hashicorp, and that allows the organization to set up and run Hashicorp Vaults quickly. And you can create an account from the given link to use the Hashicorp Vault. Now let's talk about the secret engines. So Hashicorp Vault supports various types of secret engine, and these secret engine allows us to store different kind of secrets. So Hashicorp supports key value kind of a secret engine, which allows you to store the key value secrets. And it's also support database secret engine, which allows you to store the database credentials like the username and the password. It also allows us to store SSH based keys, and there are other secret engines as well, which allows you to store the PKI based certificates as well. Now Vault has integration with various infra services as well, like Kubernetes, then OIDC, and then LDAP and Radius and Okata. So all these secret engines are available on the Hashicorp Vault, and we can use them to store the secrets. Let's talk about some of the features of the Hashicorp Vault. So the very first feature that Hashicorp provides us is the secure secret storage. So all the secrets are stored securely in the Hashicorp Vault. Then it also allows us dynamic secrets, which allows you to generate the secrets on the runtime, and you can do the secret rotation as well. Let's assume that you are having a database password and you want to periodically rotate the database password. That also you can do. It also provides us encryption, so all the secrets that are stored, they are completely encrypted. And it also allows you to revoke those secrets. So whatever secrets that you are generating or storing in the vault, you can revoke them with the help of Hashicorp Vaults. So where exactly we can use the Hashicorp Vault? So some of the use cases, where we want to use the Hashicorp Vault are, you want to use Hashicorp Vault as a general secret storage. And if you have a requirement of storing up the dynamic secret, then you can use Hashicorp Vault. Now, if you are running this on a Kubernetes, like running the Hashicorp Vault on the Kubernetes, again, you can use the Kubernetes secrets and you can store them in the Hashicorp Vault. Now, if you have a requirement of credential rotation, you can use Hashicorp Vault. If you need something called as API key generation, where you want to generate the API key, you can use Hashicorp Vault. And if you just want to do the data encryption, you can use Hashicorp Vault. Now let's talk about some of the basic commands that you might be dealing with in a day-to-day life. So the very first command that is there is Vault login, and you will be using this command in order to authenticate with the Vault. Then if you want to do anything related to the policies, maybe you want to edit them or create them or delete them, you can use this command, which is Vault policy. Then if you want to create, patch, or maybe delete any kind of a secret, you can use Vault kv put patch get delete kind of a keywords. If you want to list all the secrets that are available within a specific path, you can use Vault kv list command. And if you want to enable any specific secret engine, let's say you want to enable a PKI certificate based secret engine, then you can use the Vault secret enable command to store the secret. If you want to write any data to the Vault, you can use Vault write command, and this is going to write a secret for you. Then if you want to deal with any kind of authentication method, then you can use Vault auth, and this allows you to enable various authentication method, and you can manage the authentication method with the help of this Vault auth command. And in the next video, we are going to run the Vault locally on our local machine, and then we are going to create some secrets. We are going to create a user as well, and then we will assign some policies to that user, and then we will be checking if we are able to list or read the secrets using that particular user. So this was it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.